Alright, so one of the coolest things I get to do as part of my job is teach in the inflatable planetarium. It's sitting in the corner over there. We've been using them here for a couple of decades. The old ones are getting kind of sad, but we've had a few generous donations, and so now they've arrived! The projector, anyways. The domes will be along later this month. So, we're going to open the boxes and see what's inside. Unboxing video! Yay! This is the little bubble wrap. Bubble wrap, everything. Ooh. It's the fish islands. Ooh. This is what allows the projector to project onto a dome and it look like it should. Oh, it's another box. It's another box inside a box. There we go. Yay. No, let's leave it there. Yeah, let's just open. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's got wheels for when we want to move it. Oh, this is like Captain America spy. Yeah. Well, it's serious spy time. Let's turn it. This is like when the magician puts somebody in a box. Want to get the cardboard out? Yeah. We are not going to saw the projector in half. No. No, definitely not. Well, that was quick. I'm losing my count. Ta-da! Let's run it out. Another projector. Is that where the lens goes? This is where the lens goes. So this is a giant lens cover. You can go inside. Whoa! Hello. Sorry, lens cover. Whoops.
Well, I didn't
It's
see
just a
that.
lens cover. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I didn't see anything. It was not actually on the video, but it's fine.
Come on, lens cover. There we go. Can you see me?
Ooh. Hang on, put it the other way.
Can you see me?
Yes. And you are out of focus, but you are upside down because optics.
Yes. All right.
Who's in here?
Ta-da!
Yay! Projector.
And now I will spend the rest of the day learning how to use this thing.
Yay. Forget what else is in the pockets.
Oh, what else is in the pockets?
Finish the unboxing, Julie.
Ugh. Remote control. This is one of the ways of controlling it. Another remote control. Another remote control.
That's a lot of remote
one's
controls.
different.
Ooh. We will figure out why.
This one I think is for the projector, and this is for the system to actually make the. Like if you look at the buttons, it's got all the different like constellations and stuff, so you can run the program
I want the
using
buttons
this.
on my remote at home.
And this one's probably specific to the projector because it's a.
I just want this in like everyday life. Just like I want to change the constellations. Ooh.
Make light.
Nice.
Which has no batteries, so that won't work for me at the moment. What else we got?
Because sometimes you need to fix things in the dark.
More legs. Ooh, squishy ball. It's a lens cleaning kit.
Ah, important.
Yes, squishy ball. And this is another light, maybe.
Oh, it's a brush.
You clean the lamp on this.
Would you like me to?
Yes, please. Whee! Oh, look how effective that is. It actually is, yes.
And some microfiber cloth.
Yay.
Right. And protect.
Protected! Exclamation point.
Oh.
You know it's serious what?
It's
Ooh.
a
Nice.
surge protector. Very important.
Yep. Oh, still more stuff in there.
More stuff, yeah. Okay. Oh, binder. That'll be important. The user manual. Oh, some batteries.
Ooh. There we go.
Batteries are good.
What is that?
Thing. I don't know.
It's for something.
Oh, LED pointer batteries. Thanks, Beth. Beth is hiding off camera.
Yes.
She runs the traveling portion of this. So we have one for the museum in this room, and then we've got another 2 that travel to pretty much all over the place if you're willing to pay for the shipping.
Yay.
Everyone's Universe.
Nice. Teaching library.
Indeed. What else we got in here? More power cords.
Whoops. Oh!
The second way to control this thing.
That's so awesome.
Yes. Probably not quite the same as the first person shooter. What's that? Presumably has a cord somewhere. And this is the last thing.
Unless it's a wireless one.
This is the hard drive.
Ooh.
It has stuff in it. All sorts of astronomical goodies. And the third way to control this is using an iPad.
Ooh.
Which I have to get the software onto the iPad. And for me, that was the easiest way to control it, the way that I prefer. Yeah, lots of choices. Yay! So we'll get our teachers all trained up on this, and as soon as we are ready, we will be saying goodbye to the old museum and get going to the new.
Hooray!